Good afternoon to all. Hi students, I am Preeti. Today you are in the English class. I hope all is well at home. It is time for everyone to be in the classroom, but all of you at home today. Do you know why? Do you know? Yes, a deadly disease, corona. A deadly disease, corona, has left us at the home today. So, we are in the online classes. Okay. So, dear students, you should take good care and precautions against the corona. Today, I tell you some about the English. English is the worldwide language and we can communicate with everywhere in the world. So, you should learn English. In the first standard, we learned how to write English letters and words. Today, we are going to learn how to read our textbook, words, etc. Okay, let's start. How many letters are seen in English alphabets? Do you know? Yes, 26 letters in the alphabets. Alphabets are written two ways, capital letters and small letters. Are you know? Yes, capital letters and small letters. Please take your notebook and write the letters. First one, A, capital A and small a. Next one, capital B, small b. Third one, capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. E, small e. F. Next one, G. Okay. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Okay. Next, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. All of you finish? Okay. Next one. Do you know these letters? These letters, do you know? A, E, I, O, U. What is the name of these letters? Yes, these letters are known as vowels. These letters are known as vowels. Please write the some words to start from the vowels. Please try. Please try the starting with the vowels words. Okay. A. A for, in the first standard, in the previous class, we learned A for apple. A for ant. Okay. Next, E. E for egg. Okay. Next word you write, please. I. Igloo. Next word, ox. Okay. The next and last word, U. Uncle. Okay. First one, A, apple. E, egg. I, igloo. O, ox. U, uncle. These words are known as vowels. Okay. These words are producing some sounds. Some sounds. These sounds. A producing A. A sound. The first letter of the vowels. In the vowels. A producing A. A producing sound is A. E producing sound. A. A producing sound A. E producing sound A. I producing sound E. O producing sound O. U producing sound U. A producing the sound A. E the producing the sound A. I the producing the sound E. O the producing sound O. U producing sound U. This is known as the phonetics. Sound of the letters are known as phonetics. Okay. These producing. Next one. Okay. Next one. The rest of the letters after the vowels. The rest of the letters after the vowels called consonant. The vowels is A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the letter after the vowels. The rest of the letters after the vowels we are called consonant. How to read it? Consonant. Consonant. Which are they? Consonant. A. Vowel. B. Consonant. C. D. E. Vowel. F. G. H. I. Vowel. J. K. L. M. N. O. Vowel. P. Q. R. S. T. U. Vowel. V. W. X. Y. Z. Okay. These words after the rest of the after the words are known as consonant. How do you read it? Consonant. Consonant or consonant. Okay. Consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, got it? Okay. Next one. Join with the consonant and vowels. Join with the consonant vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Join with the consonant and vowels. We make some words and letters. Words and letters. Okay. Okay. First one, B. B is the consonant. Next, A, vowel. Please read ba. B consonant, A vowel, Read it. Ba. B-A. Ba. Next. B-E. Bay. B-E. Bay. Next one. B-I. B. B-O. Bo. B-U. Boo. B-A. Ba. B-E. Bay. B-I-B. B-O. Bo. B-U. Boo. Next letter. We write another letter. L. L-A. How to read it? La. L-E. Lay. L-I. Lee. L-O. Low. L-U. Lu. Next. Next letter. M. M-A. How to say? Ma. M-E. May. M-I. Me. M-O. Mo. M-U. Mu. Okay. Yeah. Next. Y. Y-A. Ya. Y-E. Ye. Y-I-E. Y-O. Yo. Y-U. You. Okay. Okay. All of you write now. All of you write now. Okay. Are you happy? Okay. We try to write some words with these letter sounds. Okay. First word, Malayalam. Ma, M-A. La, L-A. Y-A. L-A-M. How to read it? Mala, ma, la, ya, la, m. Malayalam. Next word, Balan. Ba, B-A-L-A-N. Okay. Next word, Jalaja. J-A-L-A-J-A. Jalaja. Okay. All of you write now. Are you happy? Now read it. And okay. I give some essays based on the making words from the joining consonant and vowels. Okay, don't but work. Okay. Okay, today I finish my class. See you in the next class. Okay, thank you.